Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jared. You're rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. And we're back again with another video unboxing. So if you're into retro sneakers and unboxings, consider subscribing if you're new. And special shout out to all you returning visitors. Now, I apologize for being so long with a new video. It's probably been over a month. I apologize, but I'm coming back with a banger, and let's get right into it. So what we have is the 990V5, the M990EZ5 here in 11.5, which is my size. So this is a YCMC exclusive, which is a retailer based in the DMV, kind of DC, Maryland, Virginia, where the 990 is just a culture staple. A lot of people really rock with the 990s up there, and they did an exclusive shoe that released last week. So just in time for tax season, this is what comes in the box. You have a U.S. Treasury style card here. It's really a coupon. So basically, if you want to shop and get this shoe, you can get 10% off your purchase on YCMC.com. I vouch for it. Ordered the shoe on a Friday. It came on Monday. Let me repeat that. Ordered on Friday, came on Monday. 2-day priority shipping from DC to Texas. No issues there. So tax refund is the promo code to get $10 off your next purchase. I don't know if this shoe is available for the promo. It says not eligible for discounts, but also included in the box is a YCMC sticker. Good that they added that in the box. And let's get into the details of what they did special with this shoe. So as you've seen with the Treasury postcard, this paper right here mimics a tax refund check envelope, or whatever comes in that. I don't get a tax refund through the mail. I get mine electronically done, but I assume this is how it comes. And badao, let's take a look at this shoe right here, which is full of wonderful goodness. Now let's give you a quick just look around the shoe real quick, and then we'll get into the materials and some of the things that I really like about this shoe. So man, look at there, perfect shoe for the spring. And this is a YCMC exclusive, like I said, so they are the ones who collaborated with New Balance on it. Can't get it anywhere else but their website. So unfortunately, international buyers, you will not have a chance to get this unless you have a reshipping service, or you go on StockX or GOAT and get a pair, which I think some are available. But this is the dope shoe in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get started talking about what else is in the box. These red laces come with the shoe, but when you first get the shoe, these come in the box. So I've already worn these. I just couldn't wait, guys. I'm sorry. I usually don't wear the shoe before the unboxing, but I just couldn't wait on these. But yeah, the red laces come in. I forget why that is included. And then they call these tidepool. So this is the color, and this is a cool, nice, low-key type look when you put these in. I just wanted more pop. I said, yeah, it's one way to do it, and that's the dumb way. But yeah, 990V5, of course. So let's get into the material. So as far as I think the main feature of this shoe, or what's most unique, is this kind of gradient mesh upper. So up at the toe box is white, and then it gradually fades as you move back to the shoe to this tidepool color. Well, we do have this tidepool mesh working its way on the back heel of the shoe. Then we have this plastic support strip that's gradient, goes from that cream to the tidepool. Then of course on the front portion and by the laces, we have this nice quality pigskin suede in this cream color that wraps all the way around. Then of course we have this synthetic gray material that overlays the mesh. Hits of 3M right here. 3M, I don't know if this is 3M, guys. The New Balance logo is gradient as well too. Let me not forget that, but I don't think it's 3M. Other hits of 3M, of course, on this back heel. And then yeah, the tongue is also gradient as well. So in my opinion, it just comes together just to make a very nice shoe. The inside sock liner is like a gray, charcoal gray. And then the midsole, once again, has that kind of pattern that you might see on an envelope or a check right there. So nice way to, I guess, commemorate the tax season. And I definitely spent some money on this. Not my tax money, but money. to get these because I had to get them. So moving way down to the midsole, as you can see, just a traditional white midsole. However, as you can see, this metallic silver, which I did not know was included on the shoe, makes its way to the inside portion of the midsole. It also wraps around to the side right here, not the bottom part, but just this side. This end cap midsole is not only comfortable, but with this added hit of metallic silver, it is super dope. So all in all, like I said, a great overall shoe. As far as the comfort, I know a lot of you probably already know about the 990 V4s, V5s. This is the V5, of course, and once again continues in that heritage of being one of the most comfortable shoes you can buy on the market today, point blank, period. Some shoes you got to break in a little bit, and I guess you could say there's a break-in period with this shoe. It feels good on day one, but as you continue to wear it, it just gets even better with time. So this is the shoe you can hop on feet and walk all across the world on the first day and you'll be all right. So not as soft or bouncy as React. However, longevity of this comfort on this midsole is top notch, second to none. And so yeah, here we have it, the 990 M990EZ5, and I guess the Easy is referencing the Easy file. I don't know, but yeah, dope shoe. You can see that light going through the toe box to show that breathability right there too, if that's something you're into. So yeah, that mesh is nice, suede is nice, everything is good. I'm gonna try to do it on foot for you guys, and so you can get a good look at how it looks on feet. If you are wanting a pair of these, of course, you can check it out. In the show's description, there is a link where you can go to YCMC and get this shoe ASAP. Check it out, man. Not a lot of people are checking for these, but I think if you've seen them in person or you're watching this video, this might push you over to the edge, because to me, this is a must cop for the springtime. The colorway is just bright, colorful, and also sizing. If you're not familiar with the 990 sizing, I am in between 11.5 and 12 in most New Balances. 998s, I get a 12. 997s, I get a 12. But the 990s, I have to go down a half size. For some reason, they fit a little bit long to me, so I prefer the fit of the 11.5. It is absolutely perfect for me. Now, if you're a wide foot person or you usually stick to a true size, not in between, I would definitely say just stick to whatever you usually get in New Balance. But if you're in between sizes, you definitely probably want to go down at half size, so to that smaller size. So yeah, that's it as far as the sizing. So the next portion of the video, of course, will be that on foot. So check it out. Until next time, y'all take care. Stay humble and proceed.